So let's get real about this, guys. You are always struggling for your baby to gain weight, right? And you are always complaining. But here is the thing. How much effort are you putting into bulking up their calories in order for them to gain weight? Weight gain is all about food. It is all about eating. So if you're not putting in much effort to bulk up your children's calories, you can never see results. So whether you're serving your children store-bought cereal or maybe plain porridge or corn pudding such as pap, millet, guinea corn and all of that, it is not about the food itself. It's about the calorie count. So if there is no much calorie in what you're feeding your child, you are just feeding in vain. You will keep going around the clock every day without seeing results. So you can't expect magic to happen with low calorie food. No. Weight gain is all about calorie. And when you begin to increase the calorie count of your children's food, that is when you are expected to see results. 100%. Some fruits and food are higher in calories than others. And like the saying goes, all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. This applies to food and fruit as well. And when you begin to feed your children foods that are high in calories, fruits that are also high in calories, that is when you begin to see massive results, massive weight gain results in your children. So today, I am sharing my secret weight gain recipe that will help you or your baby to gain weight in less than 7 days. Yes, this recipe is guaranteed because it is nutrient dense and calorie rich. It contains about 2,450 calorie counts. And when you are taking this consistently, you are expected to see results from 5 to 7 days. From the 5th day, you begin to feel this kind of heaviness when you carry your baby or even yourself. You begin to feel this kind of bulkiness because the calorie is nutrient dense. So whether you are a breastfeeding mom looking to bulk up, maybe you are breastfeeding and you are losing weight, or you're just a mom that wants to add weight, at some places, this smoothie recipe is for you. Or you have a child who has been struggling to gain weight and you have tried everything under the sun for them to gain weight and nothing is working. Please watch this video and stay tuned till the end. If this is the kind of video you have been waiting for, stay tuned and let's dive right into the kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that each time I drop a new update, you will be the first person to see it. Also like this video and share it to all your friends and families. Let's get started. The first ingredient on our list is avocado, and here we are using one ripe avocado for this recipe. So we'll have to go ahead and wash the avocado because, like avocado comes with a lot of dirt because it passes from hand to hand, and it is not always advisable to just start using it when you get it from the market. So proceed to wash it with salt to erase all dirt and bacteria and make it germ free for our children. You have to do the washing for at least 2 times to ensure that there are no more dirt on the avocado. This recipe here contains a whopping 2,450 calories. It is a triple action recipe. I have prescribed this recipe for not less than 500 mothers who come to me complaining that their babies have low weight. And you know what? Just after 1 week, they're already calling to thank me. A lot of them even gifted me money and accessories. Trust me, if your baby have low weight, try this and thank me later. The next ingredient we'll be using for this powerful recipe is oatmeal, and we are using just 1 cup of oatmeal. If you need this measuring cup, you can get it from the market. Just tell them you want to get measuring cup so that you don't make mistake in your measurement. Now, oats can be used for both weight loss and weight gain. It depends on what goes into it. For this particular recipe, we are only working towards weight gain. Now, the next ingredient also is our cashew nut, and we are using 200 grams of cashew nut, roasted cashew nut. It will also be going into this powerful recipe. So we have to set the cashew nut aside, then proceed to toast the oatmeal in a pot on a medium heat so as to get it properly roasted or cooked. If you're an adult and you want to prepare this, you can take this oatmeal as it is, raw as it is. It doesn't affect the body. It is as good as cooked. But if you have a baby Please ensure you toast this oatmeal on fire before feeding them. One, it helps the oatmeal to be properly roasted. Secondly, it helps to eliminate and kill germs. And then it gives it this aromatic flavor that will bring out the taste of the oats. Proceed to toast the oatmeal for at least 5 minutes or until it is slightly brown. You will know that the oat is finely toasted when the color changes from white to slight brown and the oat becomes crunchy. That is when you will know that it is time to set it down or that it is properly done. Try not to leave the oat unattended to, or else it will burn. So you have to keep stirring it and you have to be present while doing it. Now after stirring it for like 3 minutes, you have to go in with the cashew nut to toast it together with the oat. This will make the cashew nut to be more crunchy and to eliminate any jam that might be present in it. Please, at this point, if you have watched up to this moment, it means you're loving my content and you are happy to be here. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free and it only means that you are following the channel and nothing more. A lot of people see subscription as a big deal. There is nothing there. It just means that you are in love with this channel and you want to keep learning from them, so you want to follow them. Just like you follow people on Facebook, you follow on Instagram, it is the same way you subscribe to channels that you love on YouTube. So if you're watching this video or you have watched any of my videos and you haven't subscribed, you are wrong. Just hit the subscribe button, it is free. And then click the bell icon so that each time I drop a new update, I always drop videos, trust me, interesting videos, you will be the first to get an update. Please also give this video a thumbs up and share it to as many people as would need it. Trust me, there are a lot of people who are looking for weight gain remedies and they do not have anyone to direct or tell them. Please share it to different platforms that you belong to and let more people get to see this. Thank you and I love you so much. At this point now, our oats and cashew are finely toasted and we'll just go ahead and put off the heat. Now the next wonderful ingredient that will be going into the smoothie is the full cream evaporated milk, and here I am using Hollandia full cream evaporated milk. Please do well to use any other full cream milk that you have at your disposal. Only full cream milk is allowed. We don't allow skimmed milk. We don't allow 1% or 2% skimmed milk. Just full cream milk in its goodness. Please and please, if you want to see results. Another high calorie ingredient that will be going into the smoothie is the Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain Powder Plus. This powder plus is a high calorie weight gain powder that will help you or your baby to bulk up. So if you're looking for something that will help to speed up your weight gain journey, this is a product that you definitely have to buy. It is very smooth and it is suitable for babies from 4 months and above. It is great for adults, for the aged, diabetic, and all those who want to add weight. So if you're looking to add weight in the right places, or you're looking to bulk up or mass up, this is the product that you definitely need to buy. A lot of testimonies have come for this particular product, trust me. Next up is Maki Healthy Food Chubby Butter. What is weight gain without chubby butter? This product is a bestseller. Like, since the inception of this product, more than 5,000 cups of it have been sold, which means that the result is very, very evident. What is weight gain without chubby butter? Go get a jar for yourself and your family. Having got our first set of ingredients ready, we'll have to proceed straight to our blender. Transfer the Hollandia full cream milk right into the blender. 1 tin of this full cream milk is going right into the blender. At this juncture, if you have yogurt, this is the right time to get your yogurt into the blender. Full cream yogurt, please. Whole milk yogurt, please. Emphasis on full cream and whole milk. Now, this is the point where you add the yogurt straight into the blender, but if you don't have yogurt, the milk you are using is perfectly okay. Now proceed to add the toasted oat and the toasted cashew nuts straight into the blender. proceed to add Maki Healthy Food Weight Gain Powder Plus into the blender, and here we are using 2 tablespoons of Maki Healthy Foods Weight Gain Powder Plus. So I've added the first spoon before I remembered to video this one. That's why I'm showing you. So look at the first scoop I added, and I'm adding the second spoon, and this is enough for the smoothie. Add the avocado. Avocado is very rich in healthy fats, very rich in healthy fats, and one of the best weight gaining fruits in the world. So if you are a mother here and you need to bulk up, consider adding avocado to your smoothie, or if your baby needs to bulk up, consider adding avocado. Now next is Maki Healthy Food Chubby butter, and we are adding just 1 tablespoon into the smoothie mix. This will go a long way to boost the calorie. This is a whopping 2,450 calories, guys. This will bulk you or your baby up. This will help your baby to get very chubby. Please, if you have a baby who is already chubby, just avoid this smoothie. Avoid it completely, because the baby is going to triple his or her size. This smoothie is only for those who wants to gain weight very fast. The next batch of ingredients to go into the smoothie mix is date powder, and here we are using Maki Healthy Food date powder. This is 100% all natural date powder. Now this is 100-gram date powder, and this 100-gram is equivalent to 2 tablespoons of the date powder. Now 1 tablespoon will give you 277 calorie count, so we are using 2 tablespoons, which is equivalent to 554 calories. Guys, can you see that this smoothie is highly loaded? I am not joking when I told you that this is a triple action smoothie. There is no way you will take this and you will not chubby up, or your baby will not chubby up. It is impossible. Not on my channel, not me. There is no way you are consistent with this that you will not blow up. This is a fast action 2025 smoothie. And then we'll proceed to blend the smoothie up, and we're going to be blending this until it is very smooth, because we are making this for babies as well as adults, right? So it works for both ways. Now if your baby is from 4 months to 6 months, you can use NAN 1, SMA Gold 1, or any baby formula to prepare this instead of the full cream Hollandia milk, please. And if your baby is between 6 months to 1 year, you can use NAN 2 from SMA Gold 2, apetamin 2, any second stage baby formula can work. Then from 1 year, you can start using full cream milk for your baby. If you're an adult, you're also going to use full cream milk as well. So once you're done blending the mixture, just go ahead and transfer it into a smoothie cup or a baby feeding bottle and feed your baby straight ahead. If you're an adult, you may choose to add some ice, to cool it out a little bit and enjoy your smoothie to the best. Now, this is what we call healthy weight gainer. It has nothing to do with drugs. It has nothing to do with any medicine. This is healthy and all natural. And one thing about this smoothie is, as you are taking it immediately, you are seeing the result. Trust me, this is not exaggeration. I don't exaggerate. This is 100% effective. In fact, I used this on myself, and at the point people were asking me to reduce the rate at which I am getting chubby, because the result was very evident. So this is very suitable for babies from 4 months and above. Kindly remember, for 4 months you are going to use baby formula, and from 1 year you are expected to use full cream milk powder together with full cream milk yogurt. And then if you're an adult, you are also expected to use full cream milk. Now this drink can be taken at any time of the day, but for best results, it is advisable to take it as a morning snacks and as a dinner snacks before going to bed. The last thing you take before going to bed. Now if your baby is going to bed at 8, please do well to administer this smoothie to them before going to bed, so that as they are sleeping, the smoothie is working. It works best at night. And that is a wrap on our perfect and delicious weight gain smoothie. So if you are on a weight gain journey as a parent and you're looking to bulk up at the right places, this is the smoothie recipe that will get you on track. And if you have a child who is also struggling to gain weight, this smoothie recipe will help them to become chubby. So this recipe is perfect for both babies and adults who are looking to bulk up in the right places. And when you begin to get positive results, because I am very certain, definitely you will get results from 7 days. Please don't forget to tag me on all your posts when you'll be sharing your testimonies. Don't forget to tag Chubby Baby's Kitchen on your post so that I can share in your joy. And then we have come to the end of today's recipe. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you haven't done so. Drop a comment for me as well. I will definitely appreciate that. And until we meet again, remain blessed and bye-bye.